The introduction of the RX8 coupe at the North American International Auto Show in 2001 as a concept, followed by mass production 2 years later, marked the replacement of the RX7 coupe that had been produced from 1978 to 2002, undergoing 3 generations of evolution during that span. However, the RX8 only had 1 generation that was produced prior to 2012. Speculations about a successor have been circulating since that time, but concrete details are yet to be revealed. Nevertheless, there is an opportunity to envision what the successor to the G8 could look like in the current style of the company. Fortunately for us, Kolesa has rendered a few photos imagining what the new sports car could look like if Mazda decides to produce one. The new Mazda is characterized by a massive angular grille that visually merges with the headlights, in addition to L-shaped LED marker elements. In the same style, elongated lights are horizontally implemented, akin to those found on the CX-60 and CX-90 crossovers, which are constructed on a novel rear-wheel drive platform. The vehicle depicted in the renders preserves one of the primary highlights of the original RX-8: 4 doors, 2 of which open against the direction of motion. The coupe also received a fresh design for its rear pillars, which aesthetically intersects with another company crossover MX-30. As for the prospective successor to the RX-8, it may also incorporate a rotary piston engine, particularly given that the Japanese company recently unveiled the MX-30e Skyactiv REV hybrid cross coupe equipped with a similar engine. This indicates Mazda's ongoing interest in this technology, which has persisted since 2012, when rotary engine production was terminated in conjunction with the RX-8.